Thanks for watching my video. It's Joanna. I printed a 3D model of Obama at College of Alameda. And this is me in the FAB lab. This is a Prusa 3D printing machine. I didn't use that one, but I will next time.
Not so bad.
This is me pulling up Obama on Thingiverse so I can print him.
And he's not from.
Can we find this one
so you can get going? Yeah. So let me do that, and then let's cancel that.
Okay, help me
and then I
find.
can continue on with the workshop.
Oh wait, maybe I could just.
So I'm going to go to cutting, and cutting goes directly to this machine. Good point. So Control A.
Please excuse the talking in the background. There was another tutorial going on while I was printing my Obama model.
Oh, it's not done, that's why.
So
It's not done fully
Downloading.
That's why I can't find it. So you have to give it some time.
Thanks, sorry. No, it's fine. Here we had to put glue on the platform so the image wouldn't stick.
Okay, I hear you. You have really important to take care of. Yeah, let's take care of this. All right. Okay. So now let's go ahead and print this guy out.
So weird, why can't I find it?
And everything is okay. Normally you select all these, we'll do more about it later. Let's get you taking care of business. I'm going to move this to the origin. And here.
That is so weird.
Actually, this line looks like it's a little
Where did it
bit,
go?
A little bit high. I don't want to miss it. So I'm going to move this down a little bit and then reset the origin. Alright. So now let's go ahead and do this.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
Oh, there's a very
It's pretty much
It's fine.
2 inches.
It's fine.
That's fine? Mm-hmm. Okay. So once that's done, you're gonna click print.
We can take this and place it
And then this is gonna pretty much tell you, gather all the data and then tell you how long it's gonna take and how much material it's gonna use.
like this. Okay, so let me see. First, let me just finish this part.
Okay, so it's gonna take about 3 hours, and then you have to account for it being in the wave wash to take away the soluble support, and it's gonna take very little material because we made it, you know, less dense and all that stuff. And then once you do that, so this is where you pull your file. The second one over here is where you're gonna here, and then you're gonna print. And you're gonna see the machine's gonna start going, and I'll be right back.
Thank you for your help.
Yeah.
Transfer any file or convert any file to
Right, you're talking about like a
like
Word
if I wanted
document or
to,
something.
yeah. If I wanted to save something on my Word document.
On yeah, it's like where's the
First layer.
Power.
292.
So I take the pen tool and if I click one area and click another, you can see that I'm creating this shape and this outer contour.
The one where you sit at when you work.
Okay.
Let's see if you guys got it.
Is it there? Then I assume someone got it. Oh no, my dog ate it. I'm sorry, I'm not funny. I used to be though. I gotta say, I used to be happy, but not anymore. Age will do that to you. Don't listen to what they say about age. You know, sometimes you.
It doesn't change you.
Well, not on the inside. On the outside, it does. I used to clean up nicely. No, I don't. So I don't try to. Marla.
So the machine lays a thin filament of plastic layer by layer, and this was the finished product. That white stuff is the soluble support. It comes off after it soaks in this Mojo wash or wave wash overnight. And it took like 3 hours to print. And I went back the next day, and Vince helped me get it out of the wash, and that was my finished piece that I was very proud of.
I think I know why. So they had this already built in, and since we don't need that for the Mojo,